everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be giving you 7 of my most used and favorite beauty hacks. Down in the comment section below, let me know what beauty hacks you have. I would love to know how I can make my beauty routine more efficient, time-saving, and money-saving. If you're new here, please consider subscribing by hitting that button down below and the little bell that is right next to it so you're notified every time we upload a new video. My daughter and I do post 2 times a week. On Mondays is Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays is either Teen Tank with her or Mom Moment with me. We do have a focus on more affordable and drugstore brands. However, she does have a Too Faced obsession, so most of her videos do revolve around that brand. Now, without further ado, let's get into those hacks. My first hack, I promised I was going to show you in my highlighter declutter that I did several weeks ago. I will link that video up here in the cards for you and then down in the description bar below. In that video, I talked about how I was going to take some of my highlighters that I was decluttering and turn them into eyeshadow singles by removing them from their pans. Now this Laura Geller highlighter I've used several times as an eyeshadow. It's absolutely stunning, so I didn't exactly want to donate it or get rid of it for that sole reason. However, the packaging that it comes in is awfully bulky and it's really hard to store them, and then sometimes they get sucked away in a drawer and you totally forget about them. I really wanted to take them out of the pans and put them in a Z palette. Well, I figured out how to do it without cutting myself and without taking too much time. The key to this hack is you need something called a craft heat gun. This hack is not going to work with your blow dryer. If you know somebody who's a DIYer or somebody who likes to do crafts, chances are they probably have a heat gun that you can borrow. If you don't know anybody like that and you need to get one of your own, get a Michael's or Joann's coupon, go to the store and you can get it for less than $10 with your coupon. It's very, very affordable and it's very useful for other tasks and hacks around your household. What you're going to do is take the heat gun, make sure that you have either protective gloves on or that you're keeping your fingers out of the stream of the heat gun because it does get extremely hot. What you're going to do is heat up the bottom of the pan, no matter if it's plastic or cardboard, doesn't really matter. You don't want to put the heat gun directly onto the plastic or directly onto the cardboard container because you can, melt the plastic or burn the cardboard, but you want to apply enough heat that it melts the glue that's keeping the pan in the plastic or the cardboard container. After, I would say, a good 10 seconds of circulating the air around the pan, you can then take a craft knife, X-Acto knife, you could even take a plastic knife or a disposable knife, and the pan should pop right out of the plastic package without any problem at all. This I've tried on several different brands of plastic containers and it works for me each and every single time. Then I can apply a piece of magnetic metal on the back and put it in my own Z palette if I want to. So that's hack number 1. Hack number 2 has to do with curling my eyelashes. Eyelashes are nothing more than hair. So you like to curl your hair, but the only way your curls stay in is if you apply heat to them normally, under normal circumstances. Well, how are you supposed to get heat to your eyelashes without burning your skin? This hack, you use your actual blow dryer. Put it on the hot setting, blast your eyelash curler for about 5 to 10 seconds, then go ahead and curl your eyelashes as long as you can touch the eyelash curler with your finger and not feel burned. It should feel warm to the touch, but it should not burn your finger. Put it up to your eyelashes, curl your eyelashes, and I guarantee you it's going to make the curl in your lashes stay a whole lot longer and look a lot more dramatic. Hack number 3. This has to do with storage. I was finding that on my vanity where I do my makeup, I had so many brushes, so many bottles, and at the time, finding the acrylic storage containers was really difficult to do. So I figured, let me just take some unused or disposable paper towel rolls and toilet paper rolls, cut those down to various sizes, and then glue them onto a box lid, and there you go. I can stick the bottles in there, keep them all together. Even my eyeshadow primers have a spot in this storage area, and you're upcycling some disposable items. Hack number 4. If you're like me and you have a favorite product that you just can't get enough of, it kills you if you have to waste some, especially if it comes in a tube. Now this works with any product that comes in a tube. Once you get to the point where squeezing it out the tip, you're just not getting any more product out. You actually can get more product by cutting off the opposite end of the tube. That way you can tap the rest of the remaining product down to the tip and get more use out of it. That's what I did to my Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer. The only downside to this is it can cause your product to dry out quicker, which is what happened to mine. However, I did get another 2 or 3 weeks out of the product once I cut off the tip and before it dried out. So try that hack out if you can't quite get to the store to replace one of your favorite products and you want to get as much use out of it as you possibly can. Hack number 5. If you're like me and you like to apply some loose setting powder to your T-zone, especially where you've got larger pores with a powder puff, you can go through those things pretty quickly because they get dirty so quickly. I found that if I get really small wash bags from either Walmart or even the Dollar Tree and put the powder puffs in there, put them through a regular cycle with either my towels or even my regular clothes, I can clean them, they come out fresh, and they're ready for use again, so I'm not constantly having to buy new powder puffs. Hack number 6. This has to do with washcloths. If you have dedicated washcloths that you use for maybe cleaning off your brushes or maybe wiping off any excess foundation or other makeup that you've gotten on your fingers, maybe taking swatches off your hand, it's a really good idea to take some ribbon and either sew it on one of the corners of the washcloth like I did with this one, or there's even a glue stick that you can adhere fabric to fabric. You just run it through your regular glue gun, apply it to one of the corners, throw it in with your regular towels and wash it, and then when it comes out, you know that this is your dedicated makeup washcloth and it won't get mixed in with all the other ones. And finally, hack number 7 has to do with inventory of your beauty products. Now this will work with not only your beauty products, but any other household inventory that you may have. This app I just started to use myself. The reason I downloaded it was because I was finding that I was buying a lot of duplicate products that I already had plenty of backups for, so it's kind of a waste of money to keep buying the same product over and over and over again. With this app, I can keep track of how many backups I do have of any one particular item, and when I go to open up a product from my backup stash, I can remove it from the inventory list. Again, I've just started to use this app. I only have a few products here, but another great plus side to this is that you can scan the barcode. So let's say that you're out at the store and you see your favorite moisturizer and you want to pick up another one, but you don't want to pick it up if you've already got 1 or 2 backups at home. You can scan the barcode and it'll bring it up in your inventory and let you know exactly how many you've got left sitting at home. So that way you can make a more informed and better purchase decision. So that is it for all my beauty hacks. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below and in the comment section down below. Please let me know if you'd like me to continue to make hack videos from time to time. If you think that your family and friends would get some benefit out of our content here on YouTube, please share us with them. Facebook, Twitter, social media, YouTube, email, you name it, please share us. Also connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty and with Emma under Emma_N_2004. She also has a Pinterest account with that same username. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in our next Mom and Me video. Bye everyone!